Welcome dear students to the first session of Standard 7 subject Mathematics chapter 11 Circles. Let's have a look at this picture. What do you think about them? In real life, you will get many examples of the circle such as wheel, pizza, watch, etc. Now, let us learn what are the terms used in the case of circle. So, first we will see circle. A circle is a closed plane geometric shape. In technical terms, a circle is a locus of a point moving around a fixed point at a fixed distance away from the point. Basically, anything which is round in shape is a circle. Center. It is the midpoint of a circle. The fixed point is called the center. Next is radius. The radius of a circle is the line segment which joins the center of the circle to the outer boundary. It is usually represented by small r. We can draw countless number of radii in a circle. Diameter. The diameter of the circle is the line segment which divides the circle into two equal parts. In an easy way, we can say it is just the double of the radius of the circle and is represented by small d. We can draw countless number of diameter in a circle. D is equal to 2r. Diameter is the double of the radius. Next is chord. The chord of a circle can be defined as the line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of the circle. It should be noted that the diameter is the longest chord of a circle which passes through the center of the circle. The figure below depicts a circle and its chord. Here you can see PQ is a chord. Let's see one example. In the given circle with O as the center, AB represents the diameter of the circle. AB is the longest chord and OE denotes the radius of the circle and CD represents a chord of a circle. Here you can see in this figure O is the center, AB is the diameter, OE is the radius and CD is a chord. Circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance around a circle. Here in this picture you can see we can find the circumference using either the diameter or radius of a circle. To find out the circumference of a circle, we need pi. So let us study what is pi. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is a little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by Greek letter pi. Great mathematicians have proved through hard work. In practice, the value of pi is taken to be 22 by 7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in a problem, it is taken to be 22 by 7 or 3.14. If radius is r, diameter is d and circumference is c, so circumference upon diameter is equal to pi. So circumference is equal to pi into d. In this figure you can see but d is equal to 2r. Therefore c is equal to pi into tr or c is equal to 2 pi r. If you have diameter, then you can use c is equal to pi into d formula. If you have radius, then you can use c is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle formula. The circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is the mathematical constant where r is the radius of a circle, or the circumference of a circle is equal to pi into d. Pi is mathematical constant and d is the diameter of a circle. Let's see one example. The diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. So diameter is already given, that is 14 centimeter. We have to find the circumference. So circumference is equal to pi into d. So here we are using 22 by 7. So c is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 14. So when you cut this, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 22 multiplied by 2, you will get 44. So circumference of a circle is equal to 44 centimeter. Now we will discuss practice set 42. Question number 1 is complete the table below. Here one table is given. In this table you can see radius, diameter and circumference. Like these 3 columns are given. So in question 1 only radius is given. We have to find diameter and circumference. So in question 2 radius is not given, only diameter given. We have to find the radius and circumference. In question 3 circumference is given We have to find radius and diameter, and in question 4 circumference is given only, we have to find the radius and diameter. Let's see solution for this. In question number 1, radius is given. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So from this we will find out the diameter and the circumference. So diameter is equal to 2r. Diameter is the double of radius. So 2 into 7 we will get 14 centimeter. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Now we will find out the circumference. So circumference is equal to pi multiplied by d. So pi you already know, that is constant. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 14. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So here 22 multiplied by 2 you will get 44 centimeter. So circumference is 44 centimeter and the diameter is 14 centimeter. Question number 2, diameter is given 28 centimeter. From this we will find out the radius and the circumference. So radius is a half of the diameter. So radius is equal to d by 2. So d is already given 28 upon 2. So 2 multiplied by 14 you will get 28. So when we divide this 2 by 28 we will get 14 centimeter. So now we will find out the circumference. Circumference is equal to pi into d. So pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by 28. So when we multiply this, here you can see 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, and 22 multiplied by 4 you will get 88 centimeter. Question number 3, circumference is given, that is 616 centimeter. So we know the formula, C is equal to pi into d. So circumference is equal to 616 is equal to pi into d. So 616 is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by d. So d is equal to 616 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So diameter is equal to 196 centimeter. So the diameter d is equal to 196 centimeter. From this we can find out the radius of the circle. So radius is the half of the diameter. So radius is equal to d by 2. So that is 196 by 2 is equal to 98 centimeter. So radius is 98 centimeter. Question number 4. Circumference is equal to 72.6 centimeter. So circumference is equal to pi into d. Circumference is already given, that is 72.6 is equal to pi into d. Pi is constant, that value we already know. So 72.6 is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by d. So we have to find the value of diameter. So d is equal to 72.6 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So 72.6 we can write like this also, 726 upon 10 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So when we divide 22 upon 726, so 22 ones are 22 and 22 divided by 726 we will get 33. So 33 multiplied by 7 upon 10. So d is equal to 23.1 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 23.1 centimeter. from this diameter we can find out the radius. So radius is a half of diameter. So d radius is equal to d by 2. So 23.1 upon 2. So radius is equal to 11.55 centimeter. Question number 2. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. So we have to find the radius of from circumference of a circle. Solution: circumference is equal to 176 centimeter. So we know the formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. So 176 is equal to 2 pi r. So pi is constant, that value we already know. So 176 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied by r. So when we multiply 2 into 22 by 7, so here you can see 176 is equal to 44 upon 7 multiplied by r. So radius is equal to 176 multiplied by 7 upon 44. When you multiply this, you will get 28 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Question number 3. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? In this picture you can see the fence. So we have to put 4-round fence around this garden. So solution: the radius of the circular garden is equal to 56 meter. So circumference of the garden is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied by 56. When you do multiplication, you will get 352 meter. So the circumference of a circular garden is equal to 352 meter. Length of the wire required to put 1 round fence is equal to circumference. So the length of wire required to put a 4-round fence is equal to 4 into circumference. So 4 multiplied by 352 is equal to 1408 meter. Therefore, cost of wire per meter is equal to rupees 40. Total cost is equal to length of wire required multiplied by cost of the wire. So 1408 multiplied by 40, you will get 56,320 rupees. Therefore, the cost to put a 4-round fence around the garden is rupees 56,320. Question number 4. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? So, solution: diameter of the wheel of the bullock cart D is equal to 1.4 meter. So, circumference of the wheel of a bullock cart C is equal to pi into D. So, D 22 by 7 multiplied by 1.4, you will get 4.4 meter. So circumference of the wheel of a bullock cart is equal to 4.4 meter. Distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel. So number of rotation is equal to distance covered upon circumference. This formula we will use here. So here distance covered is 1.1 kilometer and circumference is 4.4 meter. So 1.1 kilometer upon 4.4 meter. Here you can see both the units are different. So we will change first unit. We already know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1.1 multiplied by 1000 meter upon 4.4 meter. So you will get 11 multiplied by 1000 upon 44. So when you multiply and divide, you will get 250. So number of rotation is equal to 250. Therefore, the wheel of a bullock cart will complete 250 rotation as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. Here we completed with practice set 42. Thank you dear students.